Good day, dear colleagues. My name is Arnagul. I'm from Karaganda region, district, Agadir village. I am an English teacher of school Lyceum named after U.A. Gagarin. I am pedagogical expert. My direction is reading literacy, type of video material lesson. My lesson objectives. In today's lesson, you will discuss new ways to approach creative tasks to improve functional reading literacy. By sharing ideas and trying new techniques, we can learn from each other. Exploring different approaches enhances problem solving and creative thinking skills.
Good morning, students. How are you?
All right.
Okay, thanks. Now, please, I want to divide you into groups, country and city. Come here, choose and take your place.
I prefer to live countryside because clear air and beautiful.
Which group?
They go vegetables, cultivate crops, and look after animals.
The first, my students made your predictions. If students read the text immediately, it might not be interesting for them, and their understanding could be low. However, if we first teach them to make predictions, it becomes easier for them to understand. This approach is beneficial and makes the pre-reading phase more successful.
Look at the screen. Now let's make predictions using these words. Here you see some words. I think you know these words. Let's begin.
This is about noisy place, maybe city or other noisy place.
I think there are many industry theaters in the city.
In the country can be very different. If you grow up in the country, you can see fields, woods, rivers, mountains and farms with animals. You can also enjoy the peace and quiet with the only noise being the sounds of nature. But living close to nature can have its disadvantages. There aren't many buses and trains, so it's not always easy to go where you want. Also, if you like going to the cinema or shopping mall, you won't find places as close by as you would in the city. City life, on the other hand, offers a lot more places for entertainment. There are lots of shops and big department stores. People
You need to starburst. Starbursting is a form of brainstorming where you generate more questions rather than looking for answers and solutions. Starbursting helps you test and challenge your assumptions, making your ideas more likely to succeed. Here's how it works. Draw a 6-pointed star and write down your idea in the center. On each point, write one of the following questions: who, what, how, where, when, and why. Now, imagine that your team has come up with a new design for some ice skating boots. You're excited about it, but want to make sure that the design will really work. This is where starbursting comes in. Come up.
Have you been in countryside? I have been in countryside many times.
Then have you visited a country? I visited Turkey in the summer. This country famous for its history, sites and nature. I advise everyone to visit this country and enjoy it.
Why do you think tourists visit our country? We are friendly. Kazakhstan has most landscapes, and you can explore Kılsay, Burabay, National Park of Astana and more.
Do you like city or country? Why? I like city because it's interesting for me.
Now, using this stick, you should speak about advantages and disadvantages of living in a city and in the countryside.
In the countryside there are a lot of risk-taking scenarios, space and other amazing places such as forest, lakes or mountains.
Matches. This is our yard and it makes
I'm presenting you one website where you could just go on and you could, for example, write in a topic and it will produce for you the text, or you could paste a link from a YouTube video and it will produce comprehension question for you, or produce discussion questions, or fill the gaps and so on. I think it's probably the most comprehensive AI.
Do you like to live in the city or in the countryside? Why? I like living in the countryside because of some reasons.
Themselves choosing between the calm serenity of the countryside and the bustling energy of the city. Each and conveniences like public transportation, shopping centers, and various dining.
What I learned and disadvantage of the city-country lives. Questions I have. Nothing. I don't have any questions. I got this lesson.